Ciiko cia kuguoyohio kwa bloggers na muingi nenda-ini ni ciongererekete na gikiro kinene, imwe ciacio ikirekirira na amwe kuragwo. Wa ica ikuhi ari blogger kuma kaunti-ini ya Meru Daniel Muthiani kana Sniper uria woragirwo muthia-ini wa mwaka muhituku. Agiciokia ciuria cigimainie na haria uthuthuria wa gikuo gia Sniper ukinyite mbere ya bunge ya Senate, Minista wa UGITIRI wa THIINI Prof KITHURE KINDIKI ni atariirie kwambatira kwa riboti iria ruhonge rwa DCI rukoretwo rukiamukira ciigie kuguoyohio kwa bloggers na muingi nenda-ini. Ruhonge ruru rukiuba ceceni ya mwanya ya kumurika aria maraguoyohia kana gucogera muingi nenda-ini.
My first supplementary question is to ask why this investigating MBUNGE has never touched on the sponsors of this man.
So even as the minister, the CS handles this case of Meru, we would like to know what the ministry has done over numerous other cases of this nature involving bloggers.
Is that we have established a special unit within the DCI, which is handling threats and criminal activities that are being perpetuated on bloggers and people who exercise their freedom of expression through the cyberspace and get intimidated.
Kurigana na Kindiki, atongoria kuma kaunti IKUMI na KENDA niyo marathuthurio magikuruhanio na ciiko ici, agikinyiriria thirikari ndikuhekanya atongoria na andu megatu mahuthire itoi kwagagia muingi nenda-ini ona kana kumacungiriria nguraro.
Sometimes security agencies are also used by those who are in power to silence those bloggers.
We have to deal with that problem before it goes overboard. And therefore, in 19 counties, we are actively investigating groups of both physical and online gangs.
Oho Kindiki no wateterithitie wirutiri wa thirikari hari kunina ikundi cia wikinae, agitariria ugwati uria ungikorwo ho matuku meguka igiaga kung'ethanirwo na ona ihenya.
They mutate, then they assume a life of their own. They even overturn their sponsors and become their own institutional arrangements. And that's how countries like Haiti found itself at certain parts of that country under the control of criminal.
Ndeto igie kihonia kigie ngucanio ciigie mihaka gatagati ka nduriri ni yumiririe. Kindiki akihinyiriria thina munene hari gutwithania ngucanio iciriria cieyumiria ni wagi wa wendi mwega kuma kuri atongoria icigo-ini ici aria mahuthiraga kanya gaka kugayania muingi.
What are you doing about disputed boundaries which cause a similar problem and is likely to cause similar problem in other parts of the country?
Mr. Speaker, what triggers these ethnic and border clashes sometimes is something that is beyond the hardware of the security sector. It could involve the issue of land historical injustice, among others.
That we are not going to allow criminals and characters who want to bring violence, crime, negative ethnicity, and destructive politics in a very honest discussion among neighbors as to where borderlines lie.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.